Okay. She got moisturized curls. Welcome back to my channel. I am naturally Curlysa, and today I'm gonna be doing a wash and go, but I'm kind of scared because I'm gonna be doing a wash and go with a middle part, and I've never done I did a wash and go with a middle part one time when my hair was shorter, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I hope this isn't a waste of a day. As you can see in my background, I'm going to be using Creme Nature products. So I told y'all I don't like leave-ins, but I love this one. This is the Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner from Creme Nature. And then I'm going to be using their Twist and Curl Pudding. There you go. And also, I'm going to top all that off with the Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. I have a lot more content on there. I went back and looked at some old posts and saw how some of my wash and goes were popping, and these were definitely a part of the poppinage. First time I used these products was when I first got my first curly cut at a natural hair salon, and these are the products she used to do my wash and go, and I absolutely fell in love with everything that she used. So I'm gonna do this wash and go in smaller sections because I've been taking like a big section like this and putting product in. I'm gonna try to take my time with this one. Of course, I'm gonna speed it up for y'all so y'all don't get bored and are watching me do the same thing over and over. But I'm gonna take this small section by small section. I'm gonna cut this into a subsection. All right, so I'm gonna take my spray. And I'm gonna rub this leave-in in. And then I'm gonna take some of this Twist and Curl Pudding. And this stuff smells so good. Like my hair will smell super good for like the whole day. So I'm gonna make sure I work this into my hair. Actually, it'll stay in for like the whole week till I wash my hair out again. And then I'm gonna take some of this foaming mousse. I have to understand too that my hair has grown a whole lot from where it was, so it's probably not going to be as curly as it used to be, but it's worth a start. See, it's already curling up on those ends, so that's beautiful. Beautiful bean footage. So I explained before, but I'm working in smaller sections because I've learned with my hair, if I work in big sections and rake it all through my whole head, I'll get more volume, less definition. If I take the subsections like I was before, I'll get some definition, but I also get some frizz. So when I work in smaller sections and actually work these products into my curls, then I get more clumpage, which I love the clumpage of the curls. I just like to put a little bit more mousse at my root area so that it's not so frizzy. My curls so far, I wanted to record more with my hair up front so you can see what I'm doing a little better. I'm just going back through the curls that I already did and just making them a little bit more curly. So you see how much curl definition that these products give. It's amazeballs. I'm just so scared of doing this like with the middle part. This is the longest wash and go I've ever done. Will it be worth it in the end? We'll find out in the next Dragon Ball Z. She got moisturized curls. Alright, so I am all done. This one's getting on my nerves. I have to figure out how to push that to the side. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry. These are my finished curls. All right, so once these are dry, I'm gonna let them air dry, and then I'm going to probably use the blow dryer just to dry them a little better. I don't think I'm gonna diffuse. I love this curl definition. Like, my hair curls haven't been popping like this in so long. I don't know what made me not stick with this routine, but it's amazing. All right, I'll see y'all when these are dry. All right, so these are my final results. I actually let my hair air dry for like 6 hours and then turned around and put a blow dryer to them. I have a lot of definition with my curls. I don't know if I'm feeling it because I'm not really a middle parter when it comes to wash and goes. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it up in a pineapple tonight. Try to take it down tomorrow. If all else fails, you can put a headband on it. But this is my volume. I don't know if the back is less defined. I don't know. But I mean, it's cool. You know, got the definition. These products definitely are miracle workers as far as when it comes to my curls. And working in smaller sections actually makes my curls more defined. So maybe I'll stop trying to go so fast and do my wash and go a little bit, you know, slower. But these are my final results, guys. What do you think? Have you guys tried Creme Extra? Have you tried this combo together? Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.